ever pondered what the future of technology might look like? How different is it from what we've experienced in the past? The technological frontier is unfolding at an unprecedented pace. The tech trends of 2024 are a far cry from their predecessors, evolving and morphing into something beyond our wildest imaginations. The 2024 tech landscape is a blend of evolution and revolution, where familiar concepts are being reimagined and new ideas are transforming the digital world. As we journey through 2024, the tech world is bustling with intriguing trends that weren't as prominent in the past. The rise of artificial intelligence, for instance, is a leap from merely being a buzzword to becoming an integral part of our daily lives. In contrast to previous years, the integration of fifth-generation technology, or 5G, is now more widespread, facilitating faster, more reliable connections. The growth of edge computing is another trend to note, decentralizing data processing and bringing it closer to the source, a shift from the centralized systems of yesteryears. Blockchain technology, once primarily associated with cryptocurrencies, is now finding its place across various sectors, enhancing transparency and security. Virtual and augmented reality applications are no longer confined to gaming, but are transforming industries, from education to healthcare. The development of smart cities, quantum computing, and sustainable tech solutions are shaping the future, demonstrating how technology is not only evolving, but also being used in innovative ways. Thus, the tech trends of 2024 are not just about new technology, but also about how existing technology is evolving and being used in innovative ways. As we've seen, the future of technology is dynamic, filled with both evolutionary and revolutionary changes. In the UK, the year 2024 has been marked by advancements in artificial intelligence, the growth of edge computing, and the rise of virtual reality applications. We've seen a surge in the adoption of blockchain technology and the development of smart cities. Quantum computing and sustainable tech solutions are also making their marks. In the end, the future of technology is not a destination, but a journey of continuous discovery and innovation. Stay tuned to explore more tech trends with us.